Shukor naka Shlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jylla ka Ïateh alok bat ka North East United FC na kabentaban Seng ya ka Shlem Jinghikai Phutbol ka baningkong ha kanong ba Shillong bat kanlong ka baningkong ha ka than shatay lamingi banwan Seng da kani ka kanhun ya lekai Indian Super League. Kani kalawan hadian baka Sorkar Jylla kala IT da ka shithi sa uklur aklim Bollywood Ujon Abraham ubalongru utrai jong ka North East United Football Club. Hagajinga lang sambai bam na scholarship sa kinong ya lekai ka Jylla kabalalong haka khatsaw tarik ulaber arja alposaw ha conference hall jong ka school ba Neufc Shillong. Kani ka Shlem Jinghikai ka deiru ka benta jong ka Sorkar Jylla ban kentiu bat ban sandur haka kam ya lekai football nadu ki khana ki badang rit.
Hello, mobile. Oh, mobile photographer, come back.
Congratulations to our state. We will be having the football academy here. Thank you so much to our Honourable Chief Minister and
your friend. And Conrad, thank you so much for the academy. This means a lot. This is going to be the first residential football academy in the Northeast, and we want the best talent from here to be in this academy, and we want them to represent our club, Northeast United FC, and we will, I promise you, we will win titles soon. So thank you for that, the Honourable Chief Secretary, DP Balan. Isa, thank you so much for your lovely speech and your orientation of whatever you've shared here. Like I lovingly call him JFK, the president of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. All of you have been absolutely fantastic in this process. There are two invaluable people here. I have my CEO, Mr. Mandar Tamane, and Rohit working with me. I just would like to thank the Meghalaya government, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma in particular. Thank you for being so proactive and for making this dream into a reality. I'll promise you, we will be the best residential academy in the country, the best. And hopefully we'll soon be extending that to other sports as well, like we're planning. I love fitness, I love motorcycles, I love a lot of other disciplines, and we hope to get all those to you soon, but we start with football. Football's our life, and thank you once again, thank you for this. Lots of love to all of you, and wish all of you all the very best. Keep fighting, stay fit, okay? Thank you.
thank you so
Our vision and from our goal. And today is a very important day. We are going to be opening up, or rather we are starting the process of opening up the Northeast Football Residential Academy, which will be run by them, and they will be training our young boys and girls in the sports arena, and especially in football, of course, so that these footballers can ultimately play at the national level. And I think it's a great thing. So I officially would like to thank John and his entire team for this great contribution that they're making to our state. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you, John, and thank you, Coach.